Do you have apples that look like this? You might have a codling moth problem. Let's go in and make some traps for these little buggers and hopefully reduce their population. This is part one. Here are the ingredients in these recipes. So I have been collecting milk jugs for these traps, and I have two different recipes that I learned in my Master Gardener class. I'm just put them up on the screen. These, I'm making one per tree, and then we'll experiment to see which one works best. And these are the other ones. So I'll just tie a string around here, and then we'll go hang these up in the tree, and we'll see if we can get some of these guys. So there's one. The codling moth appears when the leaves start to come out and the blossoms just start to open. And then what they'll do is they'll lay their eggs on the leaves, and then when the eggs hatch, they'll go into the little apple that's being formed. And once they're ready to turn into the moth, they'll climb down this trunk, and then they'll find a little crevice or somewhere to turn into a pupae. And so if we put a ring of corrugated cardboard around here, we can catch a lot of those and get those too. So I'll be putting those up a little bit later. Got the traps up, and these traps will need to be up the whole time the apples are growing, because these little buggers will continue to destroy your apples if you do not fight them. So I will change them out about once a month. So maybe three times, 4 times.